Welcome to NSCC's APA at Your Library video series, Academic Journal Articles. This content is from the most recent edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association, or APA. Always ensure that you are using the most recent edition of the APA Manual. In this video, we will examine how to cite print and online journal articles. A reference for a print journal article requires the author's last name, followed by the initials of his or her first and middle names, followed by a period. In parentheses, include the year, and if available, the month or season the journal was published, followed by a period. Add the title and subtitle of the article, and capitalize only the first word of the title and subtitle, as well as any proper nouns. Italicize the title of the journal and the volume number. Capitalize every major word in the journal title. There is no space between the volume and issue number. Enclose the issue number in parentheses and do not italicize it. End the reference with the page range of the article, followed by a period. For the in-text citation, note the format for a direct quote. Enclose the author's last name, year, and page or paragraph number in parentheses. For an indirect quote, enclose the author's last name and year in parentheses. In our example, the in-text citation for an indirect quote appears at the end of the sentence followed by a period. The corresponding reference appears at the end of the paper in the reference list. The format of an online journal varies slightly from the print format. Online journal articles may have a Digital Object Identifier, or DOI number. You will often find DOIs in library databases or catalogs. The abbreviation DOI in lowercase letters is followed by a colon, and the DOI number completes the reference. Note the format of both the direct and indirect in-text citations. Note the use of periods, commas, and parentheses throughout the example. In this example of an online journal article, note that there is no period after the DOI number. The in-text citations for direct and indirect quotes follow the standard format. If the journal article does not have a DOI number, find the URL or web address of the home page of the journal. Do not use a direct link to the article. After the pagination, add retrieve from and the URL. The in-text citations for direct and indirect quotes follow the standard format. In our example, there is no hyperlink or line under the URL. There is no period after the URL, and the font is the same as the remainder of the reference. Note the format for both the direct and indirect in-text citations. Note the use of periods, commas, and parentheses throughout the example. For more information on the APA documentation style, refer to the NSCC APA Subject Guide located at the NSCC Library Services website. You can also contact your library staff for assistance.